Sea snail in coconut milk, Bagungon, Filipino style recipe. Today, we're cooking something truly special. Sea snail in coconut milk, a creamy, flavorful seafood dish that goes perfectly with steamed rice. First, wash and clean the sea snails thoroughly. Then, cut the tail end to make it easier to enjoy later when eating. In a hot pan, add a small amount of oil. Sauté chopped onion, garlic, and ginger until fragrant. Add chopped tomatoes and let them soften. Then, add the clean sea snails and toss well to coat them with all the flavors. Add some green chilies for a little kick. Then pour in the coconut milk. Season with cracked black pepper. Cover the pan and cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, letting the snails soak up all that creamy coconut flavor. Add coconut cream for that rich, silky texture. Then, season with fish sauce and add fresh kangkong leaves. Reduce the heat and let it simmer gently until the coconut cream thickens and the sauce becomes rich and flavorful. And that's it! Our creamy Bagungon Gata is ready to serve. Perfect with hot steamed rice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious Filipino recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.